Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you, April 6 to 12. So this week, what's coming to you? So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, ha? So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, meron tayong website, so you can book for reading o kaya direct na kayo sa aking sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. So let's see, Scorpio, what is the energy for you this week? Abundance. Wow, ang ganda naman ito. Abundance of joy, abundance of love, abundance in resources. So, sikliglig umaapaw ang blessings ng mga Scorpio this week. Maaring ang abundance hindi lang sa pera yan, pwede ring abundance of ideas, abundance of support, shadow work, o yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng realizations of your shadow. Ano ba yung mga kailangan nyong ayusin, i-improve sa inyong sarili, na pwedeng yan yung nagiging dahilan. Kaya may mga problema or issues na hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin sa inyo. Maaring meron kayong, awareness kasi ang shadow work eh. When you know what you need to change or ano yung kailangan mong i-improve, kung alam mo yon, edi mas makakapagbigay ka ng focus doon. Oo, so this is realization. Also have Empress energy, so this is about abundance as well. So, I think magiging productive ka ngayong week na to. Maraming inaasikaso, tinatrabaho. Maari ring may kinalaman to sa business ninyo or source of income because Empress is ruled by Venus. Venus is money. This is also about love. Sa iba sa inyo, you feel loved or nagpo-focus rin kayo sa pagmamahal niyo sa sarili niyo. You also have the Three of Cups. So, friendship. Meron ditong celebration. So, maaaring meron ka isa-celebrate na achievements mo this week. You also have the Devil here. So, this is about temptation. So, ingat sa mga temptation sa tabi-tabi. Kung meron kayong kailangan ng iwasan, alam nyo hindi nakakabuti para sa inyo, iwasan na yan. This can also be codependency. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay codependent sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon, sa person that you're dealing with, or obsession about a certain relationship or connection. Meron din ritong, some of you yung iba lang naman, merong temptation sa friendship. Ace of Cups, may namumuong pagmamahal or may namumuong interest dahil sa mas nakikilala mo tong taong to at nagugustuhan mo yung ugali niya or yung personality niya. You like this person na tipong gustong-gusto mo siyang kasama. Some of you naman, merong new beginnings, new opportunities. Pwedeng pagdating to sa travel opportunities, no? Oo, pwedeng may work abroad or magte-take ka ng risk pagdating sa bagong sisimulan mo. Uy, merong heartbreak ko. Oo. So, kung kayo ay nasa isang sitwasyon na alam nyong alanganin, for example, nai-involve kayo sa isang romantic relationship na, hindi na available talaga para sa inyo for some reasons. So, ingat-ingat kasi pwedeng kayo rin yung masaktan. You'll be receiving or giving precious gifts. O, ayan. So, I think itong gifts na to, it can be the good news that you will receive this week related sa work mo or sa mga plans mo or can be galing sa isang person na romantically connected sa'yo. There's also an exciting event coming in. So, pwedeng reunion with friends, may celebration with friends. Also, merong temporary situation. So, ayun nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong ingat sa isang relationship or connection na kumbaga walang stability. Oo, kasi pwedeng hindi naman to mag-progress in the future. Oo. And example, merong challenging situation sa'yo, no? Hindi naman yan magsistay sa'yo. Kumbaga, matatapos din yan. Okay? So, just move on and move forward and see the better things that are coming your way. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.